Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Sales Navigator for finding real estate investor leads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.linkedin.com and press enter. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button. Enter your email address associated with your LinkedIn account. Next, enter your password. Click on the Sign In button to access your LinkedIn profile. Once logged in, click on the products icon at the top right of the page. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Sales Navigator account. Once inside Sales Navigator, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To find real estate investor leads, click on the Advanced Search option. In the search filters, enter keywords related to real estate investing. Select the location where you want to find leads. You can also filter by industry to narrow down your search for real estate investors. Set additional filters like company size or seniority level as needed. Once your criteria are filled in, click the search button. Review the generated list of leads. Click on the profiles to gather more information on potential investors. Save promising leads to your list by clicking the Save icon. Utilize InMail for reaching out to leads directly through Sales Navigator. Monitor your dashboard for updates on your saved leads. Regularly refine your search criteria to target different investor profiles. Stay organized by creating notes or tags for each lead. This will help you keep track of your networking efforts effectively. Now you are ready to start engaging with real estate investors on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.